Okay, so welcome to the second part of the portfolio tutorial. In the last video, we set up our project using Vite, create React app, and we imported Tailwind CSS into the project as well. So we will be building on from there. So what we need right now is a home component, right? A home component for our portfolio website. So we just go into the pages and create a home.jsx, import React functional component, and let's think about the text we want this component to have. So I would say the first line should be hi, I am, and whatever your name is, I'm just gonna put John Doe here. Hi, this is John Doe, and the next line is gonna be your occupation, right? So it's gonna be a passionate front-end developer. And then I can put some staple text like, I'll just put lorem ipsum here, but you guys can put like where you're based out of, what your specialties are, when are you available, stuff like that. So I'll say like lorem. So there it is. Apart from that, after that I can put two buttons here, and one can be see projects and the other one can be hiring, right? So let's just see how it looks like. So this is home, and we need to import it in our app.js. So let me just make this home and import this. And inside our home also, this is what it looks like right now, but we want a home to have the navbar at the top, obviously. So we're gonna import navbar as a component here. So let me just import it. This is what it looks like right now. So let's make some changes in the text first of all. So I'm gonna give the name of, I'm gonna give it a padding first of all for about, let me give it a 636 padding to one of the text that I've just written, and let's see what it looks like. Not bad. I come up with that. So of course the heading is going to be larger than the other text. So I'm gonna make it 4XL. I'm gonna make this one 3XL, and the rest of it maybe just small text. So text medium, so which is text base in Tailwind. So as you can see, a lot of the text is just occupying a large part of the screen. So I'm gonna use the break statement in HTML, so which is basically just break, so that we'll save a little bit of space because we will be putting an image over there. So let me give it a little bit of padding from the rest of the text as well. So let me give padding 5. Alright, and okay, I'm gonna give padding top 5. And regarding the buttons, now we can give style to the buttons. Let me just give it a class name, and I want the buttons to have purple color with a shade of 400 maybe. Text would be white, and padding would be, let me just say 3. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, so we need the corners to be rounded medium. That's it, it looks good. So let me just give it a margin of 3 as well. So the same class name will be for the second button, which is hire me. So yeah, once that's done, this is what it looks like. So I don't want both of the buttons to be the same color, so let me make some changes. Let me make this one have a background of white and the text to be black. How about purple? Let me see what it looks like. Okay, so the text purple needs to have a shade, and I can give it a border of 2 and give border the purple color with the shade of 400, and this is what it looks like. I feel it's better than having both the buttons have the same color. So Yeah. Let's see, why do we have the socials written? We go to app.jsx, we go to home. So the nav bar has the socials written over here, which is not that functional right now. So I'm just going to comment it out. Oops. I'm just going to comment this out. So yeah, this is what it looks like right now. So what we need to do is have, first of all, these two buttons need to be responsive. So if you want to see my projects, I feel you should visit my GitHub, right? My GitHub profile. So I'm gonna put a hey tag and put in whatever your GitHub profile name is, the link which is publicly accessible to everybody, and just wrap your button, the text inside a button inside that link. So every time you click on C projects, you get led to your GitHub profile. So one more thing you can do is put target equals blank. What this will do is open the tab in a new tab, open the link in the new tab instead of opening it in the same tab itself. So for hire me, I feel we can send them to my LinkedIn maybe, and just they can text me over there as well, So it's gonna be HTTPS and linkedin.com, and then whatever your LinkedIn profile is. And wrap the hire me inside the A tag. So this should be working as well. It is, so that is good. Now I believe we can put an image over here, but other than that, let's just focus on other stuff. Let's make the John Doe purple color as well, so that the color scheme looks good. So I'm gonna give it a class name with text purple 400. Now there's going to be an issue that John Doe is going to be in a different line because we just associated different div for it. So in order to tackle that, what we do is basically create a div with a class name flex and wrap all of the elements that need to be part of flex inside it. So let's see. Okay, this needs to be in a different div, and this needs to be in a different div. So just one extra div tag. Okay. So here it is. Of course, you can see John Doe does not have text for XL property. And let me just give a little bit of gap to both of them. So gap 2 would be okay. Yes. So this is the heading of the portfolio, which doesn't look that bad. Let me just decrease the size of the portfolio text a little bit. Maybe make it XL. This looks better. And maybe make it purple as well. Sure. And let's see what else we can do. So okay, both of the buttons are working